Hey, got any special plans today?
Yep, heading to a new campsite, and I've got a secret weapon.
Whoa, what's that? Looks like a mini fridge on steroids.
This is the EUHOMY large capacity outdoor fridge. Easy to move with handles and wheels.
How much can it hold?
A ton. Barbecue supplies, fruits, drinks, and even ice cream.
Ice cream? Outside? Are you sure this isn't some kind of magic trick?
It's not magic. It's technology.
Is it easy to grab stuff?
The lid flips open, making it super easy to access everything.
Wow, smells amazing. You look like you're having a blast.
Absolutely. Enjoying good food is one of life's simple pleasures.
Is it noisy? I wouldn't.
It's as quiet as a mouse, just doing its thing.
Hey, you made it. Looks like your secret weapon is a hit. You bet. The EUHOMY large capacity outdoor fridge. Wherever you go, EUHOMY brings the comforts of home. Live life, love EUHOMY.